Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of passive income. If you're wondering how you can make money by simply sharing your internet connection, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore what Honeygain is, how it works, and the steps you need to take to start earning money effortlessly. Let's jump right into it! Honeygain is an online platform that allows you to make money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It's essentially a passive income generator that puts your internet connection to work without affecting your daily internet usage. So let's break down how it all works. Honeygain operates by creating a network of users who share their internet bandwidth with the platform. This shared network is then used by businesses for various purposes, such as web crawling, data intelligence, and content delivery. So, how to start earning with Honeygain? Now that you understand how Honeygain works, let's talk about how you can start earning money. Step 1. Download and install. Begin by downloading the Honeygain app from their official website. Install it on your devices where you're comfortable sharing internet bandwidth. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android. Once installed, you can log in using your credentials. Step 2. Create an account. After installation, create a Honeygain account using your email or Google credentials. It's a quick process that sets you up for earning. Step 3. Activate sharing. Log into the Honeygain app and activate sharing. This allows the app to utilize your unused internet bandwidth for its network. Step 4. Monitor your earnings. Honeygain provides a dashboard where you can monitor your earnings. Keep an eye on your Honeygain dashboard to see how much you're earning. The dashboard provides insights into your contribution and earnings. Step 5. Redeem rewards. Once you've accumulated enough credits, explore the redemption options in the Honeygain dashboard. You can redeem your credits for PayPal Cash, gift cards, or other available rewards once you have collected $20. Referrals. You can also share your referral link to other people to join Honeygain. And earn Honeygain credits for each of these subscriptions to the platform, which is also a great way to take great advantage of this platform. And there you have it, an overview of what Honeygain is, how it works, and how you can start earning money with this unique online business. Don't forget to check the Honeygain sign-up link in the description of the video to start earning today. And share your experience in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time!